Huge updates for Veracity and the VRA token. We're going to take a look at it right now. Welcome to the APY Guy channel, where I try to bring you the best sources of passive income through farming and staking of blue chips and low market cap gems that could have huge gains in the next bull market. If any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe to the channel, drop a like on this video. I greatly appreciate it. Nothing on this channel or in this video is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. What is going on with Veracity? Big news for Veracity. Veracity burns 50% of its maximum supply following a landmark community consultation. Veracity, the VRA token, burns 50% of its maximum supply. It says Veracity, ticker symbol VRA, has burned 50% of its maximum supply today following one of the largest community consultations in crypto history, with further plans to move 90 billion tokens currently reserved for data circulation to a new blockchain. Open to over 500,000 community members and token holders, Veracity's community consultation marks an inflection point for the project, which has transformed its position in the market through a strong focus on commercial adoption and transparent communications. Following the consultation, the decision was taken to burn 10 billion VRA tokens, originally minted as part of a strategic reserve wallet held for future business use. Today's burn effectively caps VRA's circulating supply at just 10 billion tokens. Great news. Veracity no longer required the 10 billion strategic reserve tokens. Following the commercial success of its anti-bot advertising technology offering, powered by its patented blockchain technology proof of view. The company announced at the beginning of the year that its solution was already in use by clients, with business development continuing throughout 2023. Veracity can now expand operations and scale using revenue generated from its technology. Circulating VRA tokens, which now numbers just 10 billion, will retain its utility within the VeraView's advertising ecosystem as a payment option for clients, for use within the Vera wallet staking ecosystem, and as a deflationary token subject to quarterly burns. Over 155 million VRA tokens were burned in H1 of 2023 alone. The bottom section here, today's 10 billion burn represents one of the largest single burns of any crypto project to date, proving Veracity's new focus on a community-led strategy that delivers value to token holders, while also remaining agile for commercial rollout. The Veracity team has also stated that it is actively looking for alternative blockchains to move 90 billion proof of view marker tokens, which facilitate data transfer for its advertising stack and do not contribute to the circulating supply. This is incredible news. Something I think they needed to do. I'm really glad that they reached out to the community to help with this decision. I wanted to go ahead and take a look at the chart for Veracity for the VRA token, and I wanted to show you how you can stake your VRA tokens if you're interested in that. So if we go over to the chart, I did a chart here with a Fibonacci retracement from the bottom where it started pumping with the news of the burn. Let's see if I can line this up right about there. Let's lock that in place. Okay. So it was down at about 0.0037 cents, pumped all the way up to 0.007 cents. And then now it's retraced down to about 0.0053 cents or so. I would wait if you're going to, not financial advice, if you're going to look into purchasing some tokens, I'd wait maybe if it comes down to the 618 would probably be a good spot, 0.0045 or so to 0.0045 to 0.0048. Obviously, it could go lower, but that would be a 618 retracement from the top of the pump. So if we look at, that's a 4-hour. We take a look at the daily. Yeah, that was a huge pump there. It was kind of in this 0.003 7 cents to 0.0043 cents range for quite a while. And that pump took it all the way up to 0.007 by burning 50% of the max supply of tokens. If you want to know how to stake the VRA token, I'm going to go to CoinGecko.com so I get the true website here, which is Verasity.io. We click on that, we get to the Verasity site, and we're going to be staking it in the VRA wallet. I have a step-by-step video of how to stake that. I will put that in the description of this video. We click on VRA wallet, and you set up your VRA wallet. You can stake your tokens, and you get the percentage of 15% in staking rewards. What would the rewards look like? If you were to stake 10,000 VRA tokens for a 12-month period, you would get 4 VRA tokens per day, and you would get a total of 1,500 VRA tokens over that 12-month period. Pretty good. And then there's a slider here. If you kind of slide up and down, I don't know if anybody's going to have 100 million tokens or 200 million tokens. But if you did have 200 million VRA tokens, you get 82,200 VRA per day. Pretty lucrative staking, if I were to say so for myself. If you want to sign up for this, it's at verawallet.io, and all you need is an email address and set up a password and a 2FA authenticator. So far, you can do this. You can stake in the United States. They're not checking or doing any type of KYC so far. Once you're signed up and you're signed in here, it says the program status is active. Your current APY is 15%. This current staking goes through March 31st of 2024. Right now, the available capacity is 24.1 million VRA, so you can get in. The minimum amount per stake is 10,000 VRA, and the maximum that you can stake is 20 million VRA. The staking reward period is every 24 hours. You'll get paid out rewards. You got to wait 72 hours to unstake, and your reward daily is 0.0411% per day, which is really good. It's 15% APY. You can unstake any time, but there is a 72-hour period before you can move your tokens. So you just send your tokens to my wallet. Once they're there, you can go ahead and stake. If you have any questions about this, just leave them in the comments and I'll answer your questions like always. I think this is really good for Verasity going forward. I think this was a good thing for them to ask the community what the community wanted to do, and they got their wish of the burn. And it's going to be deflationary in the future as well. So for further updates, I'll definitely update this in the future if there's any news that comes out. If there's any projects that you want me to cover that I haven't covered, please leave those in the comments as well. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.